Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO M8. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering even a tiny part of the screen, it's not stopping at the bezels. You guys can see those little dark spots right here on the edges of the phone. That's basically a bezel, and it's the distance between the side of the phone and the screen. In this case, as you guys can see, here we have the bezel. And whenever your case is touching the screen, not the bezels, then it can cause your screen to have ghost touches. So the ghost touch will basically click in a random place. It doesn't have to be fast like I am doing it now. It can be like that, and like that. And yeah, so it's totally unpredictable where it will happen. Now for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, as you guys can see, mine is applied perfectly. So if yours is poorly applied, if it's going off the screen, if it's going to the side or the edges of the phone, then it's already, it has to be replaced. Now what you guys can do next is clean your screen. So you will do that to remove any debris, moisture and fingerprints, because we are using the microfiber cloth. And as you guys know, microfiber cloth gets rid of any of that. So we are getting rid of debris, moisture and of course fingerprints. Now our screen is shiny, and what we can do now is restart our phone to refresh the system. Maybe it's just a system glitch after all. So we want to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now we are in the menu like that, and we want to swipe down to reboot our device. Now after we see the spinning circle, then as you guys can see, our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do next is, as a last resort, update your software. So we go to settings. Now we want to go into about phone, and here tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. As you guys can see, we are in an updater. I have no updates available, and that means I am running on the latest version. But if you do have any updates available, then make sure to do them, because they can get rid of any old glitches, and maybe that glitch was the ghost problem. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.